Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the erase to reveal drawing trend in the sketchbook app. So first you're going to want to make your drawing. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just like adding a sky, making a simple landscape, like a really simple landscape because just time reason. Add some clouds maybe. Let me fill them in. And maybe the sun peeking out. Okay, so now there's my simple drawing. And now I'm going to add a new layer. And I'm going to make the bottom one invisible. So that's why it's all white. And now I'm going to color the whole thing black with the fill tool. Or if you want, you can color it with a pen. But just... And now you just erase. Oh, and make sure to make the bottom layer visible. Otherwise, you'll just see white when you erase. So here's me just trying out different ways. Another thing you could do is like sometimes people will like erase a little bit and then they'll just delete the whole layer. That's up to you. So now it looks like a little striped thing, kind of. And so now I'm just doing more erasing and other things. Thanks for watching.